My camera is making the sky look so blue, bluer than it looks. How excited am I? You have no idea. Hello there, it's Gabriella Brown, and guess what? It is a barbecue adventure. That's what we're doing today. It's been a thing already. Couldn't find starters. All they had was lighter fluid. I don't want to use lighter fluid, so I try to use my little axe. It was too little. That's not working to make kindling, so I've got a $5 New York Times newspaper in here because I don't read the newspaper. I had to buy it. And we've got some very, very dry firewood. I'm hoping this is going to work. First, I have to figure out how to light this thing. There we go. The key is the dry firewood. Hot. It's a hot day with a hot fire. Okay, I'm just praying that this is going to catch on fire. That's actually a lot of wood in there. Maybe I shouldn't have put so much. It's going to burn for a while. It'll burn for like 3 hours. Don't use a newspaper to start your fire, but that's all you have. Look at all this. So let it start. I'm thinking it caught in the back. It did. That's what I'm talking about. The key is smell it. It is. Oh my gosh, the wood burning. I'm just so excited right now. You have no idea. Finally got my fire. We're at a lovely location. Okay, we have success. Just a little newspaper and this wood is burning. This is awesome. So excited. And we are at a gorgeous location right now. It's a beautiful location. It's gorgeous right here. Barbecuing in this beautiful, beautiful place. And we're gonna cook some salmon today.
Nice.
Actually, this hasn't caught yet. Over here. So all you need is just a little newspaper and dry wood. That is it. My second wood fire of the day. We came back. My daughter bought some sausages and some hot dogs. The kids are here and we're just hanging out. Water for Snuggle Walker. Unless you want to watch Snuggle Walker. A family moment. While I was making that wood barbecue yesterday, I was thinking about barbecuing pizza as well. But I thought, now I have to master my Betty Crocker and get that going. So I've invited my daughter for pizza. So that means I'm making crusts ahead of time. I made 4 crusts and I'm putting the toppings on and baking them as people arrive. Which is no one so far, but this is the one I have. And this is Kalamata olives and pepperoncini. You know what? Let's look at this. These are Kalamata olives, and these Greek pepperoncinis, how do you want to say it? Any way you say it, they're yummy, and they're on this pizza. And this one is regular black olives with cheddar and mozzarella. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these yet, but they are pre-baked. It's super easy just to put the toppings on and then bake it further to make it nice and crispy. You can see the crust underneath. It's nice and crispy. Look who's enjoying Bubby's pizza. Mama. Look at this. Are you liking it? Look at him just scarfing up this pizza. It's so cute, love you. Oh my goodness, love you. Oh my goodness, love you. Abba. He's so cute. Abba. Is that good? Do you like that? Do you like that? Do you like that pizza? He just grabbed it and just started eating it. Like, you know, yeah, hey, thank you. Do you like the basil, the fresh basil that's on it that your Bubby grew?
Okay, you have to sit.
Never thought you'd be eating that pizza when I made it. That's the first one I made. Because I made it for Cuzzy and she didn't eat the whole thing and it's been in the fridge. So he's eating the first pizza I made. You're eating the first balcony pizza that Bubby made.
I want to see. I want to go to your lab.
Okay, come into my lap. Come into my lap.
Papa, I want pizza. I want cheese.
I want to point out that you can definitely use newspaper, but it's not the best option because you can see that it was flying all around as I was cooking. There are other fire starters that I've used that are awesome, and I'm going to show you right now what those are. I love fat wood to get a fire started. It's what I used in my wood stove when I lived in the mountains. I always had fat wood around to get the fire started. This is a great option, much better than newspaper. Wood wool is another option. I've never used it, but I'm going to get some. I want to try it. It looks amazing. Kindling is always fast and easy. You can find it in the campgrounds. You don't even need to buy it, but this is really clean, and you might want to grab some of this to have with you if you're ever going to build a wood fire. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and the subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next adventure. Thank you for joining me today. What in the world? Someone's hurt. I open my door and I see this raccoon looking at me. Oh my gosh. What in the world?